Hey everyone! If you want to build trust with your customers, a professional email like info@yourdomain.com is a must. Today, I'm walking you through the exact process of buying and starting the setup for your GoDaddy professional email on desktop. It's faster and more secure than ever in 2026. Let's get your business branded. Step 1. Choose your plan and checkout. Start by heading to the GoDaddy homepage. Click on the Email and Office tab at the top. You'll see a few options: Professional Email, Standard, or Microsoft 365, which includes Office apps. Select the plan that fits your storage needs. Usually, the Email Essentials is perfect for most small businesses. Click Add to Cart, choose your term length. The annual plan usually has the best discount in 2026, and complete the checkout process. Once your purchase is complete, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Look for the Email and Office section and click Setup next to your new plan. You'll be asked to choose a domain. If you already own a domain on GoDaddy, it will appear in a drop-down list. Simply select the domain you want to use for your email address and hit Continue. This connects your new email service to your website's identity instantly. Once you've assigned the domain, the technical buying part is done. From there, you just need to enter your desired username, like hello or your name, and set a password. GoDaddy will handle all the DNS records in the background. Within a few minutes, you'll receive a confirmation email, and you can sign in to your new inbox through the GoDaddy webmail portal or link it to your phone. And just like that, you've officially leveled up your brand. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.